Well, hey, I picked up some of these Monster Jam blind packs, mystery bags or whatever, and I've been trying to watch out for the codes on them, so I thought I'd show some of these. I've opened some of these and I want to see if these codes are the same. I've seen other people do this and I just wanted to try it out. Like I said, I've already opened some of these. This one is the El Toro Loco. Comes with a little sticker. I think my light's really great in here. That's better than it was. But that one was 03. I'm going by the last numbers. I think regions may be different for these from what I've heard other people say. And this one is 01, and pretty sure this is Gravedigger. Yeah. My sticker got kind of bent up for that one. Trying to decide where to put these stickers. And that was 01. Yeah, I showed that. And this is Max D. No? Mohawk. Mohawk Warrior. Is the key in there? Yeah, key's in there. That one is number 5. And so this one is a number 5. So if my thoughts are correct, this one should be another Mohawk Warrior. And it is. And I've got one more. I don't have a complete set of these. And this one is 01, so this one should be Gravedigger. Yep, Gravedigger. Now these are 2016, I think, but you can still find them sitting around some places. Can you see that there? Well, it says 2016. But those are the ones that I have that, you know, I just figured out the code, and I'll probably never find any more of them. But I was in the dollar store yesterday, and I found this. Oh, the wind's picking up and the train's coming through. And I'd have to say it's pretty similar. This is a knockoff Monster Jam, I guess. But it's not a mystery. And there was a whole lot of different styles of these. Like, when was this made? This says 02-17. So it doesn't take long for the knockoffs to come out with their own thing. Definitely a lot lighter. But the key looks really similar, and I'm wondering if they will work the same. The wheels are really light. It doesn't have as much oomph either. If I had a place to race these, I would do a race, but I don't have any room right now. Yeah, these are definitely heavier. The Hot Wheels Monster Jam ones are. I guess not a direct knockoff. The shocks and everything are different. The wheels are different. But basically, the key looks exactly the same. I wonder if they will work interchangeably. Yep. But I think, yeah. The spring mechanism in the, what's this called, anchor play, is a lot less robust. So I just want to share that with you in case you do find some of these and you want to know which one it is. Sorry I don't have all of them. I might go back and get some more of these knockoffs too, though, because I collect knockoff toys. I don't know if, I don't usually collect knockoff die cast and stuff, but technically this isn't a die cast. Well, I guess it is. The body on that one. That's what's different. The body on this one is a die cast, and this one is plastic. But I think the wheels are still a lot more robust as well. But anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.